Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to put captions on your videos like the one you see on TikTok or Shorts or everywhere these days, alright? So to do that, we're going to use a website called Adobe Captions. Yes, the famous Adobe offers a free tool that can generate you captions for your videos, alright? So I'll put the link of this website in the description or you can Google it, right? So after you go to this website, you have to sign in with your Gmail account. All right, it's so easy. You can enter your Gmail account. After that, you come here and click upload your video. Right, then it will show you this page. You can draw a video from your files, or you can drag it. So I'll try to drag a video to show you how you can do that. Then you'll wait until the video upload. It's completely free. You can use it as much as you want. And yeah, you don't have to pay for his apps or whatever. Anyway, after the video load, you can see there is multiple styles you can use, all right? And colors and stuff is example this one, the famous one.
Hello! As you can see, you can add captions to your videos with one click using this website.
As you can see, it generated all the voice to captions, right? You don't have to write it manually. After you choose your style and colors, you can download it right from this button here. You can click and it will start downloading. As you can see, the video downloaded. So if you want more tools, like for example, you want to change the placement of the captions, you can click here and then it will show you this page where there's more details and more tools you can use to edit your video, alright? And it's completely free, alright guys? And this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you and see you guys in the next video.